She looks good, doesn't she? What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today we're going to be talking about all the mods that I've done to this car, plus the price point. It's going to be something that I really didn't want to make, but a lot of people ask me like what's done to the car, and I might as well throw the pricing in there. This is not a flex in any way, shape, or form. I'm letting you guys know like how much it's costed. I've had the car for about 6 to 7 months, put quite some money into it. Before I get into any of that, I do want to say if you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 2K by April. I will probably do another giveaway if I hit 2K. Don't know yet. Trying to get 2K by April, so if we can do that, that'll be the best birthday gift ever. But if we get hit by March, early birthday gift. So it's lit. Moving on to what this video is really about, I'm going to be talking about all the things that I've done from front to back on this car. Like I said, I've had this car for about 7 months. I put quite some money into it. Kind of leading up to that, I do want to say a lot of people may not know this, some of you guys might. I'm 21 years old. I started modding cars when I was 19. I had the Civic hatch, the coupe, and now this. I've been blessed to have this car and the opportunities that I've been taking with it, meeting good people, creating a family around it. So that's like one of the biggest things that I do want to talk about. Besides all the money that I'm going to be talking about, I just met a lot of cool people through a car, and it's really amazing. So I just want to thank everybody for that. If you're my friend, thank you. If you support me, thank you. Just from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much. Now I'm going to jump right into it. One of the first things that I got for this car was my Honda. Now I've had the Honda actually since the hatchback days, but that's something that I kept with me through each car, so it's kind of been in each car pretty much. But I do have that on here. Like I said, I kind of mentioned in my last video, one of the first things I definitely think you should get, and it was one of the things that I got for my hatchback, and it was the first thing that I put on here. So that itself was $600. So just to give you guys a little heads on that, that is $600 itself to get a little bit more power out of the car. Pretty plain and simple. I believe now it goes for like 700 bucks. I could be wrong, but I got it for about 600. Another thing getting on this car was the headlights. If you guys don't know, I do have depot headlights. A lot of people ask me, on the last car I had Helix, this car I have depot. They're the same shit, but I do plan to change those out to something else down the road, so I'm not gonna say what it is, but I do plan to change those out. I got those for a steal. I actually got them used. They were 200 bucks. I believe they go for 500 or 600 brand new, so I got those for a good deal. Shout out to Eric. I know you're watching this video. What's up, baby? But anyways, yeah, I got those for 200 bucks. Couldn't pass it up. Wanted them. I think it looks better than the OEM. I think it looks way better than OEM in my opinion. That's something I definitely wanted. Another thing too, another small thing is the side markers. I had orange side markers on all three of the cars. I was not gonna care for it on this car, but editing pictures is a pain in the ass when you have that orange randomly on a white car. So I ended up changing them out. That was 30 bucks on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description, by the way. I probably didn't say that. I'm gonna link everything in the description, so if you guys want anything, I'm gonna put it all on my description down below, so if you guys want anything, to be down there. But that itself was 30 bucks. Another thing I was waiting for, when I first got this car, I didn't want to do anything until the car was dropped. Now that was the biggest delay ever. It took almost a month and a half to get. I don't blame BC at all because they are made to order, so they have to make them, ship them. I had to get them, put them on. It took me a month and a half anyways to get them on, but the car looks great. These are BC BR types extreme lows, which I do love, by the way. I wish I had different spring rates. I wish I would have known a little bit more about that, but you know, you live and learn. Those themselves were $1,100, so that was the first big purchase that I spent on this car when I got it, but it was like the number one thing that I wanted. I didn't want anything else but the coilovers, so I feel like that was definitely a need. The next thing I wanted to get, and I wanted this on the coupe, which sucks I didn't get to do it, but I ended up doing it on this one. So after I got the coilovers, I went ahead and got a flex fuel kit. If you guys don't know flex fuel, it creates a lot, it gives you a lot more power, especially on this car. The car loves it. So I ended up getting me a flex fuel kit. That itself was 500 bucks. After taxes and everything, I believe before tax, I think it's like $499. So taxes bring it up a little bit higher. So that was 500 bucks. Another thing, when I installed the flex fuel kit, I didn't really say it on camera, but I did end up getting the Hasport 70A, which is a rear motor mount. That's the only one I have. I need to get the other motor mounts just because I don't want the other ones to wear out, because one is stiffer than the others. So I do have to change those out, but I only have the rear motor mount. That itself was 120 bucks. I got it from a friend. I got it used, so it was a good deal. Couldn't pass that up. Next thing that I got was wheels. not these wheels. I ended up getting raised 57 CRs in bronze that I actually liked at first, and I don't think I really talked about this, but I actually really loved them at first. I wanted bronze wheels. White on bronze to me was super clean, but when I put the wheels on and I was sitting on them for a little bit, I kind of got over the look a little bit, so I ended up selling them. So I got them for $2,000, used, by the way. I got them $2,000 used with tires and everything, and lug nuts, all center caps, everything included. And I ended up selling them again for $2,000. Everything, I just ended up getting my money back. I only had them, I believe, for 2 months, maybe a month and a half. I didn't have them on for very long. Like I said, I put them on, I sat with them. I liked them at first, and then I just didn't like them after all. I don't know if it was like the shape of the spokes that I didn't like, but overall, I just didn't sit with the car, so I ended up selling those and getting these. Now, if you guys don't know what these are, you are 100% missing out. No, I'm just kidding. The next wheels that I got were Volks CE28s. I like this style a lot better. It looks a lot more cleaner on the car. It makes the car look a lot more aggressive from the side and just in general. I do wish the offset was a little bit higher, but it's okay. It'll deal with what it is. These are 18.9.5 45. I wish I got 18.9.5 40 or 18.9.5 35. So maybe run some spaces in the future, or just end up changing those out because they're really not causing me a problem. Love the wheels, love how they look. I got them for $3,000. Love the wheels. They look amazing. I mean, with the perfect color combination, with the red lining, the red stickers, I mean, and the red valve caps and everything, it looks dope. So I love how they look. Everyone loves how they look, apparently, to me. So I got them on there for $3,000. One of the things that I also got for this car, and I did make a video on it, was the FKX downpipe front pipe catless. I think they only make it in catless, so I got it in catless. Car, when it had a stock exhaust, was super raspy. I'm talking about, like, it was pretty bad. I didn't like it at all. I wanted to get an exhaust. I was actually waiting on the Greddy DDR from the coupe, which never even came out. It was absolutely terrible. Like, it never came out. 2019, it didn't come out at all. I don't even think it was talked about at all, even at that. But I waited. I was patient, and patience is key when waiting for key parts, or waiting for car parts, I mean, because I ended up getting the Greddy DDR. So I do have FKX downpipe front pipe, which is a 2.5 inch, and the Greddy DDR exhaust, which is a 3 inch. So with that being said, I do plan to get the PRL 3 inch somewhere down the line, just to get a little bit more airflow. And that's pretty much all the things that I really have on the car. I do have like fog lights for, I think, like $100, which is from Last Fit, which are, they changed from white to yellow, which I love, by the way, because sometimes I just want to rock white so I can actually see the floor, and sometimes it's just for looks where I rock yellow. I love it. That's a good, really, one of the favorite parts I love kind of on the car. But the next one, I do have two parts that I cannot say what they are because they are not on the car yet, but everything that I listed is on the car already. I guess tint has a play on this car too, I guess. That was $400. This is ceramic, 15% all the way around, which is pretty dark. When you kind of just look at it, it's kind of dark. The front windshield is 80%, so that one's not tinted really at all, but it is ceramic coated. So everything that I listed is on the car, and now I'm going to show you guys the pricing there of everything that I just mentioned. That's how much everything costed me. So let's get on to two of the parts that are not on the car, that are actually on the way. One of them's on the way, one of them's here. One of them's really cheap. It is a little piece that I have to get painted. Some of you guys guessed it right when I posted on the video, so good job. That was really good. But I mean, it's kind of obvious, but you guys did a really good job. You guys guessed it right. I'm sending it off to paint soon, so that's gonna be taken care of, getting painted. The part itself was 120 bucks. The paint is gonna cost me about $250. So as a round total, it's gonna be about $370 for paint and the part. Add that on there. But yeah, that's gonna be painted on soon. And then another part I actually ordered last night is going to be one of the parts that I said should be on the car when you get the car. Yada yada in my last video. If you have not seen that, go check it out. It's gonna be here, or wherever it goes. That itself was 400 bucks. So actually, you might be able to find it too when you follow me on Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing, bro? Yeah, that part itself is 400 bucks. That is on the way. Should be here Monday. So I will try to have it up next week. But if not, it will be up the week after, because this car actually really needs that part. So with those two parts and everything that's on the car, I'm gonna put the full price on there. That's how much I spent on the car. I did not add tint to my final price, so I have $7,320, but it might be a little bit higher with the tint and the fog lights. So that's the total price. Like I said, nothing is a flex. I'm just letting you guys know what I have done to the car, how much it all costed me, yada yada, this and that. But I hope you guys really do enjoy the video. I do have a lot more parts on the way that I cannot say. I don't know, I've been having fun with YouTube, man. I know I probably say this almost every video, but just thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, sorry, not the heart, my heart, for just liking the videos, enjoying the videos. I'm having a lot of fun making them, and you guys seem to really love them, so thank you guys for that. Like I said, we're trying to hit 2K, so share with your girlfriend, your sister, your auntie, your mom, and your dad, your dog, your grandma. Tell them to make all YouTube accounts and subscribe to me, because your boy is trying to hit 2K by April, which is, I believe, 900 subscribers away. Actually a little bit under 900. So if you guys can help me hit 2K by the end of this year, I mean by April, that'd be awesome. But just huge thank you to everyone who supports me and all that stuff. I love you guys, thank you. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already, and let's see if we can get, let me see, I think the last video, I didn't even ask for a number, but the last video, I believe we got 38 likes. I'm gonna update it right now. The last video, yeah, we got 38 likes. Let's see if this one can get 40. If this video can get 40 likes, you guys are amazing, you guys are awesome, you guys have been killing it lately. I hope you guys are enjoying the build, because I'm actually really psyched. I'm having a lot of fun with this car, and hopefully you know, some good things that come out of this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys already. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.